Welcome to this tutorial video on creating an APAR Comprehensive Assessment on the iGOT Karmayogi Content Portal. This video will guide you step by step through the complete process from logging into the portal to submitting the assessment for review. First, logging in to the iGOT Karmayogi portal at igotkarmayogi.gov.in using your official credentials. Please ensure that you have both content creator and content reviewer role enabled. Once logged in, navigate to the More tab at the top bar and click on Content Portal. Next, select Program as the content type for creating the APAR Comprehensive Assessment. Please note that the assessment section should not be selected. Choose the preferred language and click on Save and Proceed. Enter a clear and meaningful program name, keeping it within 70 characters. Select the checkbox for Comprehensive Assessment Program and define the start and end date as per the DOPT timeline. Upload the relevant image and logo and then click Save. The Add Content tab allows you to add courses, assessments, and surveys. Click on Add Content from the left panel. First, add the mandatory course by selecting them from the course repository. Please note that a minimum of 3 prescribed courses must be selected. Next, add the comprehensive assessment, which will include a cumulative question bank based on these courses. Select Advanced Assessment and ensure that the assessment title matches the program name. Choose Question Weightage as the assessment type. Enter the number of sections. Define the 4 sections: easy, medium, difficult, and HOTS, high order thinking skills. Enter the number of questions and mark for each sector. Enable marks per question display. Set the minimum passing percentage as 50%, negative marking as 0, number of re-attempts as 9, and assessment duration as an hour. Add standard assessment instruction, including passing marks, duration, and attempt rules, and click on Save. Next, proceed to add questions. Add in your instruction, and questions may be added manually or through bulk upload. For manually adding, choose the question type from the available options. Select the single selection MCQs and add your questions in the space and choose the difficulty level. Add options. Mark the check circle for the correct option and click on Save. Similarly, repeat the process for the multiple selection MCQs and select multiple correct options as requested and click on Save. For fill in the blanks, enter the question. Use Add Blank to insert blanks. Type in the option and click Save. For match the following, enter the question and pairs of options and click Save. Please note that the correct answer should be placed in the same row. Options will be shuffled when displayed to learners. For the true and false question type, select the difficulty level, mark the correct answer and click Update. For bulk uploading, download the template and add in questions in the format as prescribed in the template. Click on Read Me to look at the instructions for adding questions to the template. Once completed with adding questions in the template, save and upload the file and click on Create. After adding the APAR Comprehensive Assessment, add the survey. Click on Attach link of the content and survey form. And proceed to the next section to add reference. Click on Add File to upload supporting material. Enter resource name, upload the file, add duration and click Upload. Please note that this section is optional as per your requirement. Similarly, add teacher's note by clicking Add Notes if required. Next, complete the content setting. Enter content details by adding a description with a minimum of 100 and maximum of 1000 characters, and a learning outcome with a minimum of 250 and maximum of 1000 characters, and select language. Next, specify the classification by selecting the learner's knowledge level and entering the relevant keywords. Log the final assessment so that learners can attempt it only after completing the mandatory courses. Choose the appropriate competency area, search, select, and add the competency theme and sub-themes. Add authors and assign reviewer using official mail IDs and click on Save. Next, navigate to the Access setting section on the left panel to define the user group for the assessment. It is mandatory to create at least one user group. Click on Add User Group. Select Condition 1.1 from the user group. It is recommended to first filter learners by organization and then further refine by designation or other condition as required. After selecting the organization as the first condition, click on Manage Setting. Search for your organization in All Organization tab, either by typing the organization name in the search bar and clicking Search, or by selecting the initial alphabet of your organization from the alphabetical series and then looking for your organization name from the options. Mark the checkbox to select the organization and click Select Organization. To select more organization, repeat the process. The selected organization will appear in the Selected Organization tab. Click Apply. To add a new condition to the set of learners, click Add New Condition. Select Designation as the condition and repeat the process. Once you are done selecting the set of users, click on Save Filter to save the user group. To add a new user group, click on Add User Group and similarly create it. Once saved successfully, click Next at the top right. You will be redirected to the Preview TOC page. Preview the assessment, click on Send for Review and proceed with Yes. Now, log in to the Content Portal with Content Reviewer ID. Navigate to the For Review tab. Evaluate the APAR Comprehensive Assessment and proceed with the Send to Publish button at the top and click on Yes. Once approved by Karmayogi Bharat, the APAR Comprehensive Assessment will be published and made available to the mapped learners. This completes the process of creating and publishing an APAR Comprehensive Assessment on the iGOT Karmayogi platform.